Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat messages not showing. For example, if you have connected to internet and after that you see that you are not getting any new messages from your friends on Snapchat, or you are not getting any new kind of messages. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, and you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to your iPhone. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that your Wi-Fi router can also be checked whether it is working properly or not. And the next thing you have to do, you have to go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. If after going into settings and after going into general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and after that you have to simply click on reset network setting, which means you have to reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on notification, and after clicking on notification you have to scroll it down until you find the Snapchat. And here what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have turned all the allow notification toggle for the Snapchat, and after that you have to simply turn off that notification toggle for some second, and after that you have to turn it off all again so that it can be refreshed. And after that you have to simply open the Snapchat whether your friend has sent any kind of new messages to you or not. There may be chances that your friend had not sent the message to you in this time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.